Logitech MX Master 3, the best. The Logitech MX Master 3 model is similar to the previous MX Master 2S. It has improved ergonomics, with a more generous thumb rest. The mouse wheel uses the MagSpeed technology that features electromagnets for maximum scroll speed and precision, and also sports a dark-field laser sensor that can go up to 4000 dpi. It can connect to up to 3 PCs, Windows or Mac, via Bluetooth 4, or the included USB dongle, and the 500 mAh battery can last up to 70 days. It also features fast charging, that can give you 3 hours of use with just 1 minute of charging. Comfortable, precise and feature-rich, it approaches perfection in terms of productivity. It is highly recommended.
Logitech Ergo M575, best trackball mouse. A trackball mouse isn't for everyone, but if you're prone to wrist fatigue from traditional mice, it's worth considering. The Logitech Ergo M575 is a well-built and more ergonomic alternative to a traditional mouse. The ball moves with absolute fluidity in its housing, the tracking is responsive and the buttons are comfortable. The Ergo isn't as versatile as other conventional mice, but connectivity isn't an issue, since you can choose between Bluetooth or the company's USB wireless receiver. Sadly, it is not rechargeable. Instead, its 2000 dpi optical sensor is powered by a standard AA battery, but the fact that it gives you around 24 months of battery life helps. Last but not least, it's great to see that it caters to Mac users as well as Windows ones.
Logitech MX Anywhere 3, best portable mouse. The successor of the Logitech MX Anywhere 2S is a great portable mouse oriented to on-the-go professionals who appreciate simplicity. This wireless mouse is not only designed to be super portable, you also get superb ergonomics, a solid click, and an electromagnetic scroll wheel that allows you to switch between a precise and a free scrolling mode, while it is also able to improve your productivity by leveraging its advanced connectivity. Its sensor has a sensitivity ranging from 200 to 4000 dpi, and can accurately track on almost any surface. Last but not least, its built-in battery can last up to 70 days, and if it runs out at the wrong moment you can simply connect it to your PC via USB-C and continue working. Some might feel that it costs a lot, but if you want a compact mouse that takes many of the brilliant touches of the Logitech MX Master 3 and adapts them to mobile users, the MX Anywhere 3 will be perfect for you.
Logitech G Pro X Superlight, best ultralight mouse. For years, the original Logitech G Pro was considered the best ultralight gaming mouse. But in recent times Logitech's competitors have introduced much lighter mice. In order not to be left behind, Logitech created the new version of the G Pro, which is one of the lightest mice on the market, but without relying on honeycomb shells with annoying holes in their body to reduce weight. Therefore, the Superlight sports a more robust build quality than many other similar offerings. Plus, its symmetrical shape is almost universally suited to all hand sizes and grip types, thus it's a safe choice if you're looking for a high-performance mouse, but aren't sure how it will fit in your hand. Holding the Logitech G Pro X Superlight for the first time is a weird experience. It seems empty inside. But it isn't. The integrated Logitech Hero sensor is one of the best around, and the lack of RGB lighting means it offers 70 hours of battery life on a charge. All in all, the Logitech G Pro X Superlight is a great choice for gamers, and one of the most accommodating, high-performance ultralight mice we've tried so far.
Logitech MX Vertical, the most comfortable. The Logitech MX Vertical is designed to be comfortable, and therefore vertical, positioning the hand and wrist in a more natural position to avoid injuries. This design reduces muscle fatigue by 10% compared to standard mice, without any loss in day-to-day performance. It sports a 4000 dpi sensor and 3 connectivity options, Bluetooth and a 2.4 GHz adapter that can work with 3 devices simultaneously, and also wired via the removable cable and USB Type-C port. In addition to the left and right click buttons and the wheel on the right, there are 2 more buttons on the left and a button on top. It costs a bit, but it is one of the best solutions for an office mouse. Microsoft Bluetooth Ergonomic Mouse, best mouse for general use. The Microsoft Bluetooth Ergonomic Mouse is essentially a more affordable version of the Microsoft Surface Precision Mouse. With long battery life, the ability to pair with up to 3 devices simultaneously, and an attractive design, this mouse is what most users look for in a productivity device. This is a super comfortable mouse, built with quality materials, that maintains your hand in a natural position, and is lightweight to boot. In addition, It features 5 buttons in total, 2 of which are programmable, and an autonomy of up to a year. Microsoft creates incredible office mice, and the Bluetooth ergonomic mouse is a fantastic addition to any productivity arsenal. Logitech MX Ergo, the most ergonomic. Heir to the glorious Logitech M570, the MX Ergo is a trackball mouse, which means you don't move the mouse, but the ball that sits on top of it with your thumb. Its inclination can be adjusted up to 20 degrees, to further adapt it to your needs. It also uses an advanced optical sensor to track motion, and its sensitivity can be adjusted using the DPI button. It can connect via Bluetooth or via the unifying wireless 2.4 GHz adapter, and it can also be used with the Logitech Flow technology. Logitech M330 Silent Plus, best silent mouse. If your colleagues or family are tired of listening to the clicks of your mouse, Logitech's M330 is the perfect device for you. Its buttons are designed to be almost silent, with a 90% reduction in click noise compared to similar mice. This mouse sports a basic optical sensor, 2 buttons, and a scroll wheel. However, with an ergonomic profile similar to Logitech's more expensive mice, and a combination of hard plastic and soft rubber grips, it feels surprisingly good in the hand. Its compact size and weight are ideal for use on the go, but it's also good as an everyday mouse. The M330 connects via a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, which can be stored inside the battery compartment for transport. All in all, this is a cheap mouse that looks a lot more premium than it costs. Razer Death Adder Chroma, the best all-around mouse. Razer products are not suitable for everyone. They are mostly aimed at gamers that also love industrial design. This, however, also means that they are fairly good at other uses, such as office productivity. The thing that differentiates the Razer Death Adder Chroma from other office mice is its 16.8 million colors and the excellent 10,000 dpi optical sensor. If you want a mouse that is good for both gaming and productivity, then this is your best bet.